Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. In this session, we will be learning about a new topic which is how to derive the formula for the volume of a cylinder. In our earlier section or earlier videos, we learned how to derive the total surface area, also the lateral surface area of a cuboid and also a cube. And I also showed you how to find the total surface area and the lateral surface area or curved surface area in case of a cylinder as well. And at the same time, I have showed you how to find the volume of a cuboid and a cube. But in this section, we will be learning how to derive the volume of a cylinder. So before starting this video, I would like to request you people that if you like our videos, then please support us by subscribing to our channel and also hitting the like button and also pressing the bell icon so that you get notifications regarding our latest updates and you do not miss out on our future uploads. Thank you. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. As I said, today I will be showing you how to derive the formula for volume of a cylinder. So as I said, let me draw a simple cylinder. So just think this is a 3D diagram of a cylinder, okay? So let me draw the middle axis. So this is okay. Now here I will take the radius. Let the radius by default be r. And this is the height. So let it be h. Now, in order to calculate the volume, we have to think about a simple and easy concept so that we can derive the formula for volume of the cylinder. So what to do? That is the next question, right? First of all, let me tell you a very simple trick with the help of which you can easily derive the volume of a cylinder. So what we need to do is, first let us calculate the area of this upper circle, or you can calculate the area of the lower circle as well. So I am telling upper and lower, you can say top or bottom as well. So area of a circle, as we know, is equal to pi into r square. So in this case, as we have taken the radius to be r, so let it be like this. It is pi r square. So this is done. Now let me just tell you, if it is a 2D figure, in that case what will happen? It will be only one single circle. So it is like this, say one circle. But if we keep on going like this up to the height h, and if we keep on drawing circles like this, at one moment we will be reaching the bottom of the cylinder. So that means when we multiply the area of this single 2D shape, and if we keep on going like this till the bottom, what will happen is we will have covered the entire space occupied by this object. So that will give us the volume of any shape. So in this case, we are dealing with cylinder. That means the pi r square area of this individual circle multiplied the height of this cylinder will give us the area of this particular cylinder. So that is it. So what I mean to say is, let me just erase it. As I said, area of one single 2D circle into height. So it is like this. As I said in the earlier diagram, one circle, it will keep on going like this till the height. So ultimately, you can see that it will be covering the entire space occupied by this object or this cylinder, which is a 3D figure. So when we go on like this area, as I told, it was pi r square, and it is multiplied by this h. So what will happen? Ultimately, if we multiply this area of this one single 2D circle into the height, we will be getting what is equal to, that is actually the volume of the cylinder. So this is equal to pi r square into the height. So finally, what do we get? Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, where r is the radius and h is the height. So with this simple method, we have derived the formula for the volume of a cylinder. So this is it. I hope you have understood. And in our next videos, we will be deriving the formula for volume, surface area of many different figures. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and at the same time, please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you receive notifications regarding our latest updates. Thank you. And if you have any more doubts, please don't forget to share your doubts in the comment section. So this is Saurabh signing off for today. Thank you and happy learning.